I have noticed when I've had similar conversations with other people where I've been adopting your stance, because I'm playing devil's advocate slightly tonight, their argument has always been, well, why not concentrate on a language that is of some use? They make reference to Russian or German or various other languages. And I seem to feel that this really means, why not learn a language which is of some use in perhaps making money?
Yes, well, that's probably the motive behind saying that. But as I explained with my French, for instance, it was never much use to me. I can still understand a French news broadcast, just about. But that's all the use has ever been to me. But Manx is, it's the key to all our place names, our personal names. If you go past a farm called Ballawully Killia, you know that it means the farm of the church enclosure and this sort of thing. It means something to a Manx person to be able to use Manx. I think so, anyway.